Cool. I think we could start right now. So, hi guys. Welcome to another BNB MVB Applicant Demo Day. This is Chris from DoraHacks. Glad to have you guys today. And today we have 4 amazing projects with us, and they are WidiLand, Wolflble, PolyWars, and GameX. So the BNB MVB Applicants Demo Day is a virtual project demo event that co-hosted by the BNB Chain and DoraHacks. It doesn't mean that projects that show here has already been selected to the MVB program, but it is a great way to for all of the high quality projects to get more exposure in front of the BNB and DoraHacks community. Today every team will have 15 minutes to present and just try to do whatever you want. So without further ado, let's welcome the first project, which is the WidiLand to start. And for all the audience, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask in our YouTube chat room. Yep.
Right, guys, thank you so much for invitation. So let me share my screen. I have prepared some short presentation for you. So I hope everybody can see my screen. And guys, so once again, thank you so much for invitation. My name is Adam. I am general manager of the project WidiLand. So WidiLand is a gamified project. We developed it since last year. At this moment, we have quite big group of the players. Some of you maybe are in front of the screen right now. So thank you so much for joining once again. And let me start. Let me share a little bit information. I don't have much time, so I will be as brief as possible, but I will give you as many information as I can in this few minutes. So guys, about the WidiLand, as I said, it's a gamifying, but it has a big great story behind this. WidiLand, it's a farm motive game, and we decide to create this kind of game because there are a few reasons, but to give you the biggest reason, it's first of all, we promoting connecting the people. Yes, so in our game, you don't compete against each other. Actually, you are connecting together to reach common goal. And the second thing, we don't promote the violence. So we have a farming motive where you do the kind of the things which help you survive and the things which will make you cooperate with other people. So as you see on the screen, there are 3 parts, 3 chapters, we call them. When you begin, you will start with a journey begin, and it's like to give you this kind of short background. It's you'll end up on the completely new planet without a human being, and you have some seeds, you have some animals, and your goal is to survive first of all, and the second of all, to build your ecosystem, to build your house, build your shelter, make sure you have something to eat, etc. And then there is devastation. It's a next chapter and new era. It's already in metaverse. So this is on our roadmap. We are going good direction. And anyway, I will show you further down. Have a look on the short video. So let's begin. I hope you love it. Basically, as you saw, it's look quite simple. It's very simple to begin. It's very straightforward game. However, it's very, very engaging. When you start, you will get your land and your characters. Those are default characters. There are non-NFT assets. However, if you want to start and engage little bit more, you can purchase another NFT assets like characters or land. So there are many activities. As I told you, the game is simple, but it's engaging because it has many activities. Like you can see here, cultivating, mining, collecting. Each activity will guide you to reach different goal. You have like daily quests, which when you complete, you collect the token, and then of course token you can exchange it for the money. You have a harvesting and you have a trading. As I told you, you can earn the token and go to our DApp, decentralized application, where you have like whole marketplace there to do many interesting stuff with your, let's say, items which you earn or which you bought or which you won. And last but not least, interaction. Guys, this is what I said to you on the very beginning. We promoting and we really encouraging people to work together, to connect together. Later on, when we will be in the metaverse, you will put your headset on and you will be inside the game together with your friends, playing, enjoying, having fun, and making money in the same time. It's just great. So about NFT assets, now it's a big hype for the metaverse, for the land inside the metaverse, and also in WidiLand you can have your own land, and we have a 6 type of the land, and each of this land has a different rarity. So, and of course, the different rarity, different land will have a different value. Like volcanic land, it's extremely expensive. So it's nice to buy, to own piece of land, hold it, and in the future you can exchange, for what. And then characters, we have a farmer, miner, builder. I don't think I need to introduce you what is their specialty or what they do, because their name they talk themselves. And here you can see actually our dashboard, where you can have all information about your account, about your progress, about your level in one place. So it's very easy, very straightforward. You can have it on your computer, on your PC, or on your phone, both. So about the token, we have a two type of token. One is a WiDi token, which is a government token with a limited supply of 400 million, and you use it mainly for purchasing the NFT asset like characters and lands, and also for the staking to earn interest, to make some money on this. And we have a WSO token, which you use inside the game for all of our activities and utilities. So for example, if you want to earn some money, you will be earning WSO by, for example, playing daily quest or battle pass or other special event. And also then you can use this token to you can summon 2 characters together in one new character, or you can do a little bit gambling and play lot of games. So actually, I don't want to being big head or showing off too much, but guys, I am proud really of our team. Last year we had fundraising 3 phases, and we raised much more than we expected. This is actually very good. It's showing of the trust of the people, of investor, of people. We call it smart money, and also give a confidence for the players that for the next very long time we are confident about money. So we had 3 IGOs already. We sold out a lot of treasure boxes, a lot of NFT assets. I remember, guys, when we were opening the IGO, after 30 seconds, everything was sold out. So it was crazy. The people just jump in and bought, and I completely understand why, because in the future they can exchange it for quite good profit. So the game is available everywhere for every device. You can get it on Google Play, on the App Store, on the computer you can play, so on your phone. So it shows that community has access. So we release game public in the end of the January. Now we have the end of the March, and we have 600,000 players, guys. This is just incredible, and 8,000 NFT owners. Weekly player growth rate 18%. This kind of grow, it's only happen in the gamify. Seriously, if you think about normal business and growing 80% per week, it's just crazy. And then the over 1 million hours, 1,300,000 hours playing. That's a lot. The numbers talk themselves. And here you can see our players, where they are. So big group is in the Brazil. Hello Brazil, thank you for supporting us. There are people from Philippines, Argentina, Indonesia, from Europe also, so from around the world. So we have a quite big community. We are very, very active on the Telegram. If you looking for interaction with our players, go to the Telegram. Over there we very, very active, as I said. However, LinkedIn also sorry, not LinkedIn, the Twitter also very, very strong. So Discord, have a look over there. So our roadmap, guys, when I see this kind of roadmap again, I'm very proud. You think, yeah, of course he's talking about his project, but actually you can check this. You can go to the past and check that we are reaching every point right into the time on our roadmap. And also, I believe personally, it's mean a lot about the project, because many projects can say something, but to deliver, it's actually completely different story. And our team, what is very important here, I will not introduce all of guys, but what I want to say, guys, in our team, we have a business people, we have a blockchain people, we have people from different countries, we have people from traditional business, we have people from technology business. All this team together can create amazing stuff. So I feel our strong point is also that we have a good, strong business team. Yes, financial, technology, and marketing. This is our big strength here, and the partnership around the world. Here also you can see who are our partners, and I don't need to probably introduce you most of them, because you probably know them. Those are big, important players in the industry. So guys, thank you so much. I hope I could give you the small information, but good enough for you to jump in and try, because the game is for free. So basically you don't need to invest any money. Just take your phone, download it, go to the Apple Store or Google Store, download it, and you're ready to go. Thank you so much, and see you in WidiLand.
Cool. Yeah, thank you very much, Adam, for the presentation. So definitely the WidiLand looks pretty interesting for users to play, and you guys have already accumulated such amount of users. All of these metrics looks pretty good. And congratulations on that. You just mentioned that the game just launched 2 months ago, so this is very proud, great, I would say. Yeah. So one question from me is that how do you guys plan to maintain the users? Because most of the similar topic projects, many of them, maybe at the very beginning they could achieve a really high growth, but after a while, like that many users gonna quit and move to another similar projects with higher return. Yeah.
I understand your question, and actually, we we were thinking about this already a few months ago, and we are aware of the situation, what is happening. So there are two main things what we are applying in our project. First of all, it's as you see on the very beginning, we very focus on developing game and adding the value. So there are different chapters, and also in the each chapter there are many more activities which allowed player to develop. It's never getting bored. There is all the time something happening. And actually, even we hire the guy who is for last 16 years designing the stories of the games. So actually he's supporting us with the story, with other activities. This is one thing. And the second thing, what we make us completely unique, completely different than other project, we create whole ecosystem. Actually, it's still on the go. We haven't released it yet, but we are creating other games. We're creating other tools which will be connected all together, and people will be able to move in between those projects, between those tools, and of engage in different activities. However, it's still in the same ecosystem. That's how we will keep the people, and actually we will grow them also, and very comfortable feel that they will stay with us.
Got it. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. Appreciate your time and presentation today. Thanks for joining us and do all the sharing with us. Definitely looks really interesting project, and hope you guys having fun and happy building in the future. Yeah.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure to be here. Thank you so much.
Yep.
Best of luck.
Great. Yeah. And we're gonna move to the second project, which is the Wolflble. Yeah. Yeah. You unmute yourself. Don't forget to unmute.
Okay, sorry. This is Wolflble. You can check the spelling of Wolflble.
Wolflble. Okay, cool.
Okay.
Yeah, and you
Okay.
can start. Feel free to start when you're ready.
Okay. I will share our pitch deck and our platform. If you, I will start now. I think. Okay. Wait a second. Okay. Thank you for the opportunity from DoraHacks. I am Alfian, founder of WSVP and Wolflable. Wolflable is a platform. We can see on our pitch deck here. Uh, Let me introduce what is Wolflable. Wolflable is a WSVP NFTs platform by combining smart contract for minting, token exchange, NFT auction, discovery, NFT collection, NFT DeFi, yield farming, and pools used in a smart contract. Wolflable pursues the goal of creating a highly fluid environment where everyone can create NFT easily and inexpensively. As we know, WSVP token is a token with a vision and mission to help all poor people in the world. With a Wolflable, all people can experience making NFTs and work to earn additional income. Wolflable is designed as a NFT protocol for all owned and managed by the community. In this regards, a special place in the initiative is reserved for the WSVP native governance token as foundational building block for the future NFT ecosystem. This is the problem. Maybe you can check this video again. But I will, cause the time is limit, I will go to our platform product. We will go to www.wolfable.com, but I will show you on my local house here. Uh, this is our project, the Wolflable. Wolflable is our WSVP ecosystem in one platform. It's the official platform of the WSVP ecosystem where our program are integrated into the Wolflable platform. With this platform, it makes it easier for our WSVP holders to know the latest update. This is our WSVP holder on Binance. Uh, Golden WSVP, ABS token, and Wolflble token. Okay, we go to down is this is you should know we built on the multi-chain. WSVP is a multi-chain token on the Binance. This is our product on Binance, like your farming, staking pools until the profile on the NFT on the Polygon. You can find your farming, staking pool, NFT collection, Wolfie Treasure, create NFT, NFT mining. But on the Avalanche, you should check this is coming soon for that on the Cardia chain is 2. Okay, the Wolflble, you can check our audit by it is audit by Morales. This is I think it is this is audit by Certic. Sorry, Certic. You can check our rank is 299. You can check our WSPP token for safety here on Certic. All of our audited and Skynet is launched on Certic. Okay, we back to our platform again. You can check this powered by Morales Cows. All our resource is we use the Morales platform. Uh, WSPP, GWSPP, IBS, and Wolfland come together to create Wolflble, the future of WSP ecosystem for NFT and DeFi platform. Wolflble platform gives user the ability to Wolfie Meet. Wolfie Meet is yield farming, Wolfie Force stack and earn, Wolfie NFT to create and stack NFT, and Wolfie Chess. This is the our new project from about the NFT with use case store the token and NFT. I will show after this demo. Our platform also allow the WSPP Army to access upcoming NFTs and additional tools such as a portfolio tracker to make navigation the crypto world simple and intuitive. Our project ecosystem, WSPP, is founded on May 19, 2021. From the beginning, the WSPP has done many outstanding things, starting with a supply of 50,000 trillion. Our founder, me, lock liquidity in the Excel for 100 years, then burn until now is 72% total supply with my target is 95% burn the WSCP on Binance. It is necessary to know the vision and mission of WSCP is charity. Throughout 2021, the team and community, we have implemented charity program, in particular providing franchise to some underprivileged community. The big thing that we are doing is partnering with Corgi Doge in the helping Nepal's people. Okay, you can check this is our smart contact WSVP to holders. We can check the that address is a burn address is 72%. Uh, we have blue check mark on the Binance scan. We are a charity token on Binance. After that, we will introduce our Wolflble Smart DeFi. Wolflble Smart DeFi is a token has back-end asset is never decrease value of token as well as liquidity in the smart contract token itself. The Wolflble gives user the ability to loan is like borrow you FBNB like a BNB. Second is anti-rug, liquidity lock forever. We have WIC, Wolflble Gets Club NFT, and Lucky Gameplay to our since it was created. There will be lots of event for everyone who has his token. All event every 7. We will distribute at least $50 to register holder. Okay, this is our project partners for the NFT marketplace. Our NFT is listed on PancakeSwap, Tofa NFT, NFT Scan, Toko NFT, Treasureland, NFT Key, Item, Lyco, OpenSea, Bubble House, and Minverse. For DeFi, we partnership with BecoSwap, it is Cardia Chain, Trader Joe is Avalanche, AppSwap in Binance and Polygon, SushiSwap in Polygon, Fake Exchange on the Binance, CoreSwap in Binance, FIFA is a liquidity docs is on Binance, CoinTiger is exchange, multi-chain. So you can bridge your WSPP token into another blockchain with a multi-chain. PancakeSwap is DeFi. Discuss our partners from Indonesia and Farmageddon's like PancakeSwap program. For the team, I'm Alfian, founder and CIO of this program, Wolflble and WSPP. Mbah Mijan is co-founder. He is one of artists of Indonesian. I have a coming web developer. Patrick is support. Kevin Community is manager, and our social artist Tiara Najila. Our community, we have 119. I'm sorry, 190,000 of Twitter followers, or our Telegram is 120,000. Our Instagram like 70,000. Our Discord like maybe 100 or 200. I forget it. First, I will show you about the first our product is yield farming. If you, I will show you on the just on the Binance, but on the another chain is same. Our yield farming. If you click here, I will go show you to here. Yield farming. It's mean on the Wolflble is Wolflmeat. It's a term that work that same as a yield farming. Wolflmeat takes a little work to get set up. You are going to need some LP token to enter into Wolflmeat. With a meat, you can only accept the own exact LP token. For example, WSPP BNB farm will only accept SPP BNB LP token. To get extra LP token, you will need to provide liquidity for that trading pair. So to get WSPP BNB LP token, you will first have to provide liquidity from WSPP BNB pair. You can create liquidity on Pancake, on Ape Swap, or and on fake exchange. Okay, this is our yield farming or meats. You can choose your WSVP on BSC or WSVP on Polygon. If on Polygon, we have trade liquidity on the quick swap, Swiss swap, and the app swap. This is golden USVP Binance. You can create liquidity on PancakeSwap, and the last is Cardia chain. You can create liquidity on the BecoSwap. Okay, the second product is staking pool. Staking pool is Wolfie pools. I will explain about Wolfie pools. The best way to get passive income. Wolfie pool are the simplest way to earn free token on Wolfable platform. Rules: one stake fee, is 10%. I think you can read this. Then you can choose our pools. We have a partnership. I have WSBP pools here, then ABS pools here, FIFA token here, Kier kita here, Scary token here, and Fluffy token here. This is our project partners. Okay, the next our product is NFT collection. If you click NFT collection, we have many NFT collection here. Okay, Wolfie NFT collection. NFT is an acronym for non-fungible token. Product Wolfie NFT is include one blind box. You can open blind box and get NFT collection, 2 NFT yield, get passive income from the NFT, 3 lazy mint NFT, create your own art and earn money. You are the free to mint your art in the Wolfable, and you can sell it our marketplace or on our platform. You can click create the Binance NFT or create the Poly NFT. Okay. If you want to open the blind box or mystery box, you can check our partner here, Wolfanger, Wolflble. This is Coin Tiger for Gidoge NFT. This is Wolfable collection. This is on Polygon. This is Farmageddon NFT. This is sold out. This is Rose Finance NFT. This is still open. This is Wolfie Stone, and the last is Wolfie Bunny on the Polygon. From the NFT yield, we have Wolfangers, Wolfie League, else, and the last is Corgi Dodge NFT yield. Okay, I will show one. If I click here, you will go to the Wolfable farming. The Wolfable farming is NFT use case. You can earn the passive income with staking your NFT. Okay. More use case for Wolfable NFT holders. The different usuality will affect the getting golden WSBP. That is the rewards on for 1 years for the golden WSBP. You know the golden WSBP no price is 0.098 dollar. Okay. This is the you can check your earn how much golden WSP you get it. You can buy our Wolfie on the Pancake Swap, on Tofa NFT, or on the NFTK. If you click here, you can stake your common rarity of Wolfie League. You can earn your golden WSBP. Okay, this is same for all. This is a legend. This is epic. We split up with the rarity of the NFT. If you check here in your wallet, we show all your NFT you have on your wallet. Just log in here, and you will know how much you WSBP token you have, multi-chain double USBP you have, ABIS you have, and the NFT you have. You can check all. Just click on the wallet. Okay. The third and the next is Wolfie Treasure. This is our new project. The new project I will show you on the here. I will tell you about the Wolfie chest is NFT function as a storage place from the WSP ecosystem where all the programs are integrated into the Wolflble platform with the Wolfie chest. It's make it easier for the entire WSP community to secure storage or store asset token or NFT in a chest NFT WSCT. Okay, it's same. It's like you can earn your Wolfie key by staking the NFT Wolf Angel, Wolflble, Golden WFC, Autobusdy, and Nusantara. It will launch soon. For the farming, you can staking the LP token, the WSBP BNB on Pancake, WSBP BUSD, else until ABS BUSD. Okay, from the Wolfie Chase, we have the our marketplace. You can buy the Wolfie Chase, and you can buy with a Wolfie K. Then if you buy this, you can check your my chest here, then open that. You can check the inside the NFT. You can find your WSP token, golden WSP token, Autobusty token, and the NFT inside the chest. You can buy and sell on the Tofan NFT because the Wolfie chest NFT is listed on there. This is our new program from the NFT use case. I think I will next the step is if you click on the marketplace,
Hi,
we have
Alfian. Yeah.
okay.
So sorry for interrupt. Just because just noticed that the time is nearly for your project is nearly done.
Okay.
Yeah. Just try to minimize
Okay,
your
I will try
1 minute.
2 minutes left. Okay,
Uh,
thank you.
yeah.
Okay,
1 minute
2 minutes
will
left.
be better.
Okay, well, 1 minute. Okay.
Yeah.
We have our marketplace. You can check here. We have item the tile. If you click the one of the NFT here, you go to item the tiles and buy here with WSP token. We have the author. You can check our the another profile of the NFT creator. The last you can create your Wolflble NFT here. You can check category, enable the title, description, and create. Okay, I think this is the last. Maybe because time is not enough. Many Wolflble may have many use case for the all blockchain. Especially in the Binance Smart Chain, we have many use case and many product to share to uh, open the source of the our project Wolflble. I think that is maybe sorry for the time. Why I think that's all my project I share to you. Join us with wolflble.com or Wolflble platform. I thank you very much for opportunity from DoraHacks. Okay, I think is okay.
Cool. Yeah. Thank you very much. Even though you haven't shown all of your products, but we have seen it. So if anyone
Okay.
interested into the product, please go to their website and try like what the Wolflble are building right now.
Wolflble. Thank you, Mr. Chris. I'm
Yeah.
sorry to time.
Cool. Yeah. And we're gonna
Okay.
move. Thank you very much. And we're
Thank
gonna
you.
move to the next project, which is the PolyWars. Yeah.
Yes, exactly. Thanks for having us. My name is Martin. I'm the creator and lead developer of PolyWars. I'm here with my colleague Joe, and we are going to present our project to you. Now, I'm going to do a quick demo on the game itself and talk a little bit about the technical stuff, and then Bio will jump in with the the project, so to say. I'm trying to share my video here. Maybe Chris? Yes, great. Let me just pause that real quick. In its essence, PolyWars is a multi-blockchain play-to-earn game deployed to multiple testnets already. Just went live on the Polygon mainnet, which was our first go live. In the game, players basically build NFT battleships and compete with them. And to loot and mine res, which is our in-game token. We maybe don't have like all the fancy graphics and all, but what makes us like special and stand out is like everything is really 100% on chain. So that's been like the main vision from the very beginning. Like every action in the game is actually performed on the blockchain. So we got really no databases or such. Our game servers are really also just there to aggregate some of the data from the blockchain. And we are really not storing anything. It's fully on chain. So enough of the technicalities. Before we jump into the game itself, just two things I want to point out quickly. We got a great getting started section, which helped to onboard a lot of people who have never used the wallet before. We have got some great feedback on that. And we have also like a super extensive documentation where you can find like every nitty-gritty detail of the gameplay if you're interested in that. And having said that, I'll jump into the gameplay. I've prepared a little video here for you. So the first thing you will see, you're greeted with your planet. Now, your planet, every wallet represents a planet in the game, and assets are generated uniquely from your wallet address. You can see this planet already has some experience points and is already mining some res. We also have some ships. So I'll show you how attacks work. So this is basically the star chart. You can see a couple of planets here which I recently attacked and which are still cooling down. So let's pick a target here. You can see like the stats of the player, their ships, their attack, and so on, the loot and the experience points you can expect. You have like a quick selection feature for your fleet, or you can also do it manually. We go with auto select here. And as I said, everything is like 100% on chain. So this is basically like launching an attack transaction. We're waiting for that to finish. And you can see up here, we've looted some res and gained some experience. And it's here in our gained res that's stored on our planet. Now to turn, and I'll just quickly stop that here. Basically, that's the portion in the game that can be stolen from you. And to secure that and to turn it into an actual ERC20 token, you would also do a transaction on the blockchain for that. Give it a second to load. Here we go, and you can see our gained res is 0 now, and our wallet balance has been updated. And since we have some res now, we're gonna build some ships for the first time. So you basically are burning 100 res to mint 3 random NFTs. And how that looks, I'll show you in a minute. First have to wait for the transaction to finish. And there they are, 3 brand new battleships. They have like randomly assigned levels and classes, which make up all their attack and defense and rarity values. And also from the screen, you can send, sell, or burn ships. And what I'm going to show you here is how easy it is to sell a ship on our in-game marketplace. You basically just type in whatever you want to list it for. Again, confirm the transaction. And you will see it being listed in a moment, and how that looks, I'm gonna show you in a second. First of all, just to finish things up here, you also have the possibility to transfer your REST tokens from here, or to get directly some from decentralized exchanges. Now, looking at the market, you can see up here, that's the ship we just listed. And down here, these are all open listings. And if you open the details, you can buy the ship directly from here, again, just by using your wallet. All right, so that's about that. One thing worth mentioning at this point is this is like we're running the marketplace on an in-house built super lightweight protocol, and together with the game and the marketplace, it's really like a full economic circle. Like you can swap your RES freely for other coins on decentralized exchanges. You can use your RES in the game to create your ships and to progress. And you can also buy and sell your ships for cryptocurrency. So that said, this is just the very beginning. So we are already working full steam ahead on further extensions, like starting with a completely new class of NFTs. Besides the battleships, we will be introducing staking for RES and like a brand new utility token next to RES. With its unique features for the gameplay. And we are also introducing new utilities for the existing RES token to keep the token burn going. So we are still, yeah, there's much to come. We are pretty excited. We're just getting started. And by having said that, I'm going to hand over to Vajo.
Hi. All right, so I hope you guys see my screen. I'm trying to share my slides. Okay, awesome. Great. So as Martin already said, we're just at the beginning. So I like to start with the relevant part. So why is PolyWars worthy of a grant? So first things first, we have the technical skills to go with the economic knowledge, because we two know each other for more than 10 years. We're in software products for more than 10 years, not together, but we have done already one startup together. Quite successfully, and here we are again trying to do a new one. So we have demonstrated that we know how to do Web3. Just give me a second. Right, our app is live on Polygon mainnet. It's fully on-chain. Our token is traded on Uniswap. We've created a liquidity pool using our personal funds. Our in-game marketplace has facilitated hundreds of trades already. Our user base has over 2K Twitter followers and 500 Discord members or plus. So, and we have a quite high conversion. I mean, these are small numbers if you compare them to the previous projects, but of our Twitter followers and Discord members, those are really converting players, users. We have already 400 to 600 daily active wallets on average. So we're live on 5 testnets in addition to Polygon, which we're on mainnet. And we could go live on any of these networks, not in weeks or days, but in hours. So I think that's also a very great plus of our technical side, what Martin has built, and of our technical infrastructure. And that's how good our backend is. So you see, we're still at the beginning. And if you look at our graphics, the website, the NFTs, everything, this is all self-made and fully bootstrapped, no VC funds or outside investment. So we're a small but experienced team with lots of engineering, product, and team leadership experience. But just imagine what we could do with a bigger team and proper funding to put into design, marketing, and growth. But maybe let's take a step back and just consider why we're doing all of this. I mean, this might sound a bit like marketing, but this is really the way we genuinely see things. So Web3 and crypto in general are predominantly young, male, and Caucasian or Asian, as you see in this group, which we're sitting in. So we want to make blockchain gaming accessible to everyone, the young, the old, the female, the unwealthy. That's where we bring added value to Web3. So everyone with a Web3-enabled browser and a wallet can start playing within seconds. So while learning the ropes of Web3 through playing, I mean, it's simple, inclusive, it's fun, and it's everything that gaming should be, in my opinion. So, or in our opinion, to be honest. So how are we doing it? I mean, we apply We apply human-centric design to keep things smooth and simple for the casual user, but we're also packing enough complexity under the hood to engage the power users. So Martin already said one example. I mean, we have a great getting started section where you can set up your wallet and where you can start playing within one click, so within seconds. You can become a player and a user of PolyWars. And another example would be you can mint and use for a battle and even sell your NFT within 9 clicks or less than a minute. I mean, this is just incredible from a user experience point of view. And we've put very, very much thought into that. Yeah, and where do we go from here? I mean, as Martin said, we're just getting started. I mean, we're preparing better graphics, improved NFTs, new token, new utility token, staking, multi-network availability. We're even contemplating a new game. So as a closing argument of sorts, I mean, we want to create, we want to educate, and we want everyone to play on Web3. So yeah, let's team up and make it happen. That's it.
All right, that's the end. Chris, are you there?
Yeah. My team just put me back. Yeah.
Sure, no worries.
Definitely. I mean, so basically, I pretty like the vibe design of the games, because it's like a little bit like pixely design, pixely graphic design, which is very popular in the Web3 world, and this is pretty smart, and I like that. Also, the you guys are planning to have door token design in the future. Definitely looking forward to that. And also, still the project is pretty early stage, but many of the great project in the Web3 came from a very a little bit glitchy and scamish looking, like Uniswap. When they came out with their beta version, nobody know what the hell they're doing, and it totally looks like scamish, but they're becoming one of the most successful teams in the industry right now. And the goal for us to host the project demo session like this is to support the early stage project like you guys to grow and development from day one. So this is actually what we really want to see, teams like you guys join us at the very early stage, and we could support you and back you from the day one. Yeah, really appreciate your time, and really looking forward to see how you guys build the whole project into.
Cool, thanks. We appreciate it too.
Yep, thank
Absolutely.
you very much.
You have our contacts.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, appreciate your time, and we're gonna move to the last but not least project, which is the GameX. Yeah, and Ali, feel free to start. You can start, Ali.
Yeah, hello, bro. What's up, everyone? So, thank you for this huge invitation. It's just an honor to be there. And yeah, we're gonna talk about our GameX and the GameX ecosystem, our 3D game with high graphics that we're building, the whole GameX GRP thing, because now we're introducing a new governance token called GRP, which is in-game token. It is GameX resource point. And let me share my screen. One sec. Okay, sorry. Okay. Yes. Okay. So this is our website, and as you can see, GameX was launched in about 10 months ago. It was a fair launched. So basically, we have more than 9,000 holders. We didn't right away build our 3D game, but we've worked hard to develop the team, or the template, if you want, the infrastructure for the game. And now we've developed the meta race game, which is in testing. yeah, as you can see, the game, it is in testing right now. It is available on Windows. It is a mobile application. Also, it is available on Google Play, and later on this month, it will be available on iOS and Mac. So basically, when we've developed GameX, and we've developed in August a game called Dragon Run, which is a 2D game, but the community basically uh, wanted more from us. They expected like we need to move forward with the 2D games, and yeah, we've decided to build a full 3D game with huge graphics uh, and enjoyable game to play. We've had a vision to connect and merge the esports with the GameFi industry, and this mixture it is quite beautiful. So we've launched GameX 10 months ago. Now we're moving forward to launching GRP. I'll explain a little bit about meta race and how the system work. So basically, GRP is the GameX resource point. It is the governance token in the meta race game, which I will be showing like in about minute or two. Um, the game it is a play to earn game, and we're still in GRP on the private round, which is for the GameX community. Basically, tomorrow it's the final day for it, and let me explain what GRP and GMX work together. So basically, the game Meta Race, it is a player versus player game. It is a four-player racing game. Four-player compete on the track, and there's a podium for the top three player. The first player who is the winner, sorry, get a GMX and GRP. This is the material. Sorry, yeah, okay. So the GMX you have to pay in the game by GMX to enter the game, and when finishing the round, the track, which is a 3 laps, we will be explaining in the game. Uh, the number one winner, let's say for example, uh, 1000 GameX, the player pay to enter the game, and there's four player, which is 4000 GameX. So basically, the winner take 2000 GMX, the second player take the 1000 GMX back as a refund, and the third four player get nothing after finishing the race. That's for GMX. The remaining 1000 GMX will go into burn. So basically, yeah, the as you can see in the chart right here, um, all the remaining GMX will go into half 15% of burn, and 10% goes to the marketing wallet, since it is a fair launched token. That's for GMX. For GRP, the use case it is different in game. Let me tell you about GRP. So basically, the game has the cars as main character, and those cars are NFT, which can be bought by GRP. And you have levels in game from level 1 to 10, and the NFT are divided into four categories: the common, rare, epic, legendary. The whole game it is still in testing phase. I will be showcasing the game with the showroom, and everything it is mentioned in the white paper. We are finishing the GRP public sale, then we will be starting to integrating the play to earn mechanism, the NFT, and those steps. So the GameX resource point, it is like its name. In game, it can be buyable for the NFT. It can be used for car upgrade like the Nitros Turbo, the front end of the car, the back end of the car, unlock new maps, and unlock also extra game mode, which we will be showing the trailer right now. So and also every single time the GameX resource point it is used to level up, to buy NFTs, use as add-on, those GRP goes to burn. So basically, that's how we've built this infrastructure, and that's how we've connected the two token together. Like I said, we will be starting to integrate the full mainnet game, like after we're finishing the public round of GRP. And let me show you the trailer of the new updates. Like this week, we've bring a new update for the game, the multiplayer and the database, which has the leaderboard, number one player versus the AI, which is the robot, and the time trial. And also, we've installed the servers which connect the player into the multiplayer mode, which is a new. We've added 4 cars, and definitely it's awesome. I will show right now the teaser before opening the game. One sec. Uh, can you check if the video it is running? Yeah, sorry. So basically, that's the video for the new updates, which is the teaser. And as you can see, um, yeah, we've worked hard on the graphics because we believe in one thing. The whole team are gamers in the end, and this mixture and merging between the esport and blockchain, which is GameFi, we figure out some problems that after playing games, like people are getting sometime bored. So yeah, we focused on making a Need for Speed concept, but on the blockchain with the play to earn and NFT integration, and this cross-chain the goal, it is quite huge because in about like after launching the game on mainnet, it will have updates, new maps, new cars, a new add-on, new modes like the drift mode, the drag mode. So basically, it is quite enjoyable to play for a long time. We've built something that it is quite sustainable for years, and later on this game after the mainnet in about 2 quarters, we will starting to test this game into the 4K dimension. Player will be able to play a mode in virtual reality using Oculus Rift, which is truly the metaverse, let's say, and it is quite huge. So I will be opening the game right now and explaining about the concept of the game, testing the game, and also we have a special section for our partners, which it will be an NFT only usable by those partner. Uh, it is right now as testing the whole game. It is testing even on a Play Store. It is the game is testable and available. Sorry, after finishing the GRP public round, we are starting directly to integrate the mechanism of the GameFi. Let me open the game. Okay, so as you can see, the game, it is quite huge. Let me just the volume 1 second. Okay. Okay, so if you go to play, um, you can check that there's different cars and the graphics are intense. So you can check that we've worked hard on the simplest and little details integrated in the game, from the garage that will be add-on used by GRP. You can navigate, you can have your own garage also, which is quite amazing. Those car basically are the NFT categories, and it is quite a huge. You can also have the automatic, the manual transmission, and yeah, when we've worked on developing this game, um, it took us months to realize that yeah, we can build this game on the blockchain and make it enjoyable to play. So also, this is the showcase that where our partners will be shown, and uh, sorry for the little bit of delay. Yeah, as you can see, this is the DoraHacks car, and yeah, this car later on this showroom, it is right now on one angle. We didn't yet finalize it, but yeah, when people click on the hood of the car, there will be going into the website of our partners, and they will be checking, like, let takes for example DoraHacks. They will be checking what they do, the info database, and of course later on we have also the virtual reality showroom concept, which you can navigate through first person, and it is quite with different graphics, etc. So basically in the showroom, uh, those cars are not playable. Those cars are only usable by uh, the team, the partner that are in the showroom. And later on, there will be a mode called free roam. Uh, we've took this concept from the Forza Horizon game, where you can go and play in an open world, like emerging a big map uh, in one gameplay, and it is quite amazing. Like I said, when you click on the hood, it will take you to the database and everything related to the game. We've worked on a high level, and now let me show you like a gameplay test of the game, how much smooth the graphics are, and the card, the control, the handling, the speed, and those stuff. Okay, so basically we have right now updated two maps, which is Tokyo and Saudi Arabia, and we have the AI, which is the bot. You can face the bot. So basically we will try the Saudi Arabia at first. So as you can see, the WASD control the map. As you can see, there's also Nitros and Shift, and yeah, it is quite good. The is manual right now. I'm putting it, which you can change in mouse. And yeah, we have also the space button, which is uh, the gameplay is really smooth, and yes, it is quite good. So this is for Saudi Arabia map. It will be the four-player competing on this track. And we have also updated the, let me change it to automatic. I'm not good at manual. So basically this is the Tokyo version of the map. And yes, as you can see, we've worked hard on the graphics, and yes, the game, it is quite beautiful. And yeah, I guess it will be huge, fun to play, easy to enjoy, like always. And also, you're earning GameX and GRP at the same time, and you're having fun. So, yeah, this is the robot, sorry. And yeah, basically, this is the game, and we've worked hard. Also, the garage and those stuff. The car will be available here. And of course, we have the Connect wallet, the simple integration. Your balance will be shown up, and basically that's it for the uh, game and how the GameX ecosystem work. We're still building the game to finalize it, make it more smoothable, introducing all of the game mode in it, and to release it on the mainnet, like with no gaps. We're trying to reduce the, like we said, the damage limitation. We want the game to be happy for all of the players that are playing it. We want it to suit like a big part of the people. We also want a big part of the esport industry to come and try this game. Like I said at first, this merge, it is quite huge, and this mixture, it is quite beautiful. I know we have a long way to go, but this is just the beginning, and we know we can succeed, and the game has a lot of potential. We have already more than 200 download on Play Store just for testing, which it is a beta version, like only you can download it via the link, and the reviews are amazing. People love the traction in the game, the handling, the nitros, the car, and we've delayed the testing time because we wanted to know that since GameX it is a community project, like how the community feels about the game, to give us our feedback, our review, what need to be upgraded, what need to be updated, what is need to be fixed, which bugs, etc. So basically that's everything related. As you can see, um, in our home, like this is the website. We also have staking portal, which can you can stake GMX and earn GMX, and you can stake also GRP and earn GRP. uh, it is quite beautiful. Right now we're finalizing those steps for our game, and to maintain this stability and keep growing bigger and bigger. Thank you, Chris.
Got it. Yeah, thank you very much. So I definitely think the project, like what you guys are building right now, is necessary, especially for the current GameFi sector, because right now too much GameFi project more like DeFi actually, but the gaming elements is not that good. And so basically I'm a gamer as well. I play a lot of Need for Speed when I was young, and I do believe that, yeah. So I think the project like you guys could definitely increase the user amounts of the true gamer in the Web3 industries. So, which is pretty good, I think, because essentially those true gamers are usually the most long-term users for all the gaming, not like the speculator that just want to make money and take some profits. Yeah, so definitely looking forward to see how it goes. And obviously you guys has already a large amount of the users, so hopefully you guys could achieve better growth in this years.
Thank you so much, Chris, and thank you for this amazing opportunity. And like you said, yes, gamers stay. It is quite sustainable. It's not just like the sell pressure later on and those stuff when the game became like boring or uh, not being a trend. Basically, this is a game for 4 seasons, let's say. And yeah, with the update, we're bringing the different maps. Like in Tokyo, it is winter, like rain, and in Saudi, it is desert. It is dry. The track is dry. Like also, we're introducing Toronto and Singapore later on. We also bring the snow, different kind of weather, which is a dynamic weather. And the game, it is a cross-chain platform. Like you can play on your Android versus someone on the PC. The controls on Android are also smooth. We're trying to update them. We also have testers in house that test the game, the controls, the finger on the game. That's how deep we're going. Thank you for this huge opportunity, Chris, and thank you for DoraHacks and Binance for this huge invitation. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ali. And yeah, appreciate your time. And I think that will be it for today. Also, very appreciate the rest three teams that just did the presentation. You guys all did a great job, and I think the whole session is really helpful for all the audience to understand like what you guys are trying to build right now, what you guys are trying to build in the future, the roadmap. And I believe many audience who are interested in the project are gonna directly engage in your community with you guys, which is great. Yeah, and I think that's it for today. Thank you again for the time. Hope you guys are doing great in the future, and happy building. Yep, and see you guys soon. Good to see you guys.
Good to
Thank
see
you
you.
Bye-bye.
very much.
Bye, bro. Bye. Thank you
Bye.
so